Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the tools: a charged Apple Watch, the magnetic charging cable, and a Mac with Apple Configurator 2 installed. Once done, connect the watch to the Mac using the official charger and a USB adapter so the Mac recognizes power and the device. Make sure Bluetooth is off on nearby devices to avoid interference. Now you're in position to trigger the DFU entry sequence. Follow the timed button presses precisely for the Mac to detect the watch in recovery mode. You will perform the critical timed sequence now. Press and hold the side button and the digital crown together for about 10 seconds. Count steadily. After roughly 10 seconds, release only the side button while you keep holding the digital crown for about 6 more seconds. The display stays blank. That's normal. Once you see Apple Configurator 2 detect a device in DFU or recovery, you can proceed to restore or update. If the Mac never detects it, repeat the sequence calmly and consistently. You finish by selecting Restore or Update in Apple Configurator 2. Restore reinstalls watchOS and will erase the watch, so ensure backups exist. Make sure you monitor progress on the Mac and do not disconnect during flashing. If the process errors, disconnect and reboot the Mac. Try another USB port or Apple cable, then repeat the DFU timed presses. Inconsistent timing is the most common issue. If you still can't get detection, test another Mac to rule out a port or drive.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.